Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, y'all, we'll find about how to summarize web pages with Microsoft Copilot in Edge. If you want to summarize web pages with Microsoft Copilot in Edge, then watch this video till the end and click on that subscribe button, and let's get into this. First of all, go over to your Microsoft Edge browser and make sure that you have the latest version of Edge so that the Copilot updates can run perfectly. The next you'll need to do is just go over to the web page that you want to summarize, like just go over and search for anything. For example, I'm just going to search something that will have long articles over it like the speed of light. Now I'm just going to click on any link, this one for NASA. And now we're on a page with long reading and article. Let's just say you don't have the time to read it all and want to summarize it by using Copilot. So here's how you're going to do it. Go over to the top right corner and you'll see this Copilot button. Click on it and it will open the Copilot tab for you. As you can see, it is already giving you the suggestion to ask the Copilot for a summarized version of the reading. You can click here in order to change the module of Copilot like Think Deeper, Smart GPT-5, or Deep Research. Once you choose that, either click the suggestion or just type in whatever you want the Copilot to do with the article. For example, summarize the whole page. And you'll see in seconds Copilot will the job of summarizing the whole page into the most important things, which can be really useful if you're a student. If you scroll down, you'd see it is now suggesting questions that can be asked according to the topic, like explain more about electromagnetic fields. You can type and ask for any other explanations you want from Copilot, and it'll provide all for you. That is how easily you can summarize web pages with Microsoft Copilot in Edge browser. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and like this one for more quick and easy tutorials.